I'm going to show you how to make a 2-in-1 paper object. And now I'm going to reveal what it is. It is a paper lighter in a Swiss Army knife and 2-in-1. Okay, so let's get started. You need a sheet of paper, and you have to, as I told you before, you need to fold it 2 tops, so it will be a triangle. Then you need to fold the bottom up. This is what it should look like. And then you need to fold the paper in half. And after you do those, it should look like this. And if you want to make it a little bit more stylish, you could fold the ends like a paper airplane. Oh, and guys, when this video is over, please leave a like and subscribe for more paper stuff or blind commentaries. And please make sure to visit my good friend HotKimmy28 or Kimberly Hale. He changed the name of his channel. So you have to fold this up like this. Then you gotta fold it in half like this. And there's your paper lighter part. Okay, now let's get to the Swiss Army. So you have to go back in paper airplane form. Then you have to fold it in half like this. Then you gotta fold it up and like this. You can fold it in half again. Whoa. So here you go. Just Swiss Army knife. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. Or like a seatbelt cutter. So please like and subscribe for more paper stuff. Soon I'm going to be making Roblox and Minecraft videos. Bye guys.